family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm OYOKO, but you could call me V. And for today's video, I'll be sharing a few vegan recipes, including one West African dish, a dish that is very popular within Ghanaian cuisine. So hopefully this video might inspire you to try something new, to experiment, to encourage you to try something outside of your comfort zone, and to appreciate and respect other people's cultures and their food. And if you have any other questions after watching this video, let me know in the comment section down below. And quick disclaimer though, I know that vegan grocery shopping can be very expensive. So if you are very privileged, or if you are privileged enough to buy any of the very overpriced products, then good for you. But if not, don't feel any pressure to buy certain ingredients or to buy certain products. Use whatever you have at home or use whatever you can afford. I will do a quick grocery haul anyway, and then I will start cooking. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video, and let me know if you end up using any of the recipes. Let me know if you have a different way of preparing the food. I would love to know, because I like learning from other people as well. So let's start. Going to make tatale with plantain. So those are plantain pancakes. Tatale is plantain pancakes. And I am going to use one because I did not buy enough, unfortunately, but that's fine. It should be okay with one. It's just like a smaller batch. So let's just get started and I will show you what I'm going to do step by step. Okay, so this is what you will need. Some spring onion. I have some of the leftover from yesterday, so I'm going to use that too. Ginger, plantain, cornmeal, and some non-dairy milk. And I think that's it.
Oh, look!
Lovely people, this is the end result. Look at this. I decorated it a bit because why not? some chili that doesn't taste like chili, just tastes like peppers, but anyway, and some spring onion. So yeah, so if you wanted to have this for lunch, then that's perfect because it's not too high in calories. Unless you want something with lots of carbs, then I would not recommend this. It's quite low on fat as well, and it's nice and spicy because I added ginger, and I added my homemade pepper sauce that I made yesterday. But feel free to use hot chili powder or cayenne pepper or whatever pepper powder you use. You can add that instead. And it's high on antioxidants, so some vitamins. But yeah, this is it. I'm not sure if this entire, like, I think I have 6 tiny pancakes. Not sure if this is going to fill me up, but you can always make this and then have something on the side as well. So one final look. Okay, I finally got home. I'm so incredibly tired and I haven't even started. Like, I need to cook all of that there. But I found the garden egg. I finally found the white aubergine. So this is how it looks like. Nothing too special. Ooh, I think the light is like messing up. Anyway, it's nothing too special. I think it's quite common in like Asian countries and like African countries. They use it in lots of their cuisine. Like cuisine. They use it in their food. But yeah, I'm gonna use this to make the pepper sauce and then put that in the soup, and then it's gonna be really, really spicy, really, really nice. And I got fufu, which is like plantain flour and cassava flour. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pound it, or at least like try and pound it in a way. Yeah. And then that will be in the soup. And what was the third thing? Plantain. So this is what I'm going to use instead of meat, or instead of, yeah, it's usually meat, it's not fish, it's meat. So I'm going to use this. Anyway, I need to get ready. I'm going to get changed and then I'm going to start cooking. Okay, so I am going to start, and just one quick disclaimer. I kind of forgotten parts of the recipe, but that's fine. I think this will trigger my memory anyway, and if not, then I'll just close my eyes and think like, oh, what is it that my mom used to do, and then do that. So it should be fine. I think the best cooking is when you do it from, you know, a place of like love, and you know, if you can recall the recipe, that's really helpful. But if not, then you know, it's a whole process. It's about being emotive. It's an emotive experience. So it should be fine, I hope. I'm gonna ask some of my housemates maybe to like try it, just to rate it. So I will let you know how that goes. This is how it looks like. Let me just try it because it's not too strong now for some reason. I'm gonna try a tiny bit just to see. Yeah, it's spicy. It's spicy. I'm not gonna put this whole thing. I'm not gonna put a whole spoon in my mouth because that would be suicide. have the soup that is cooking currently. So it already smells nice, it tastes nice, which I'm really happy about. So the plantain is ready to go after I've added some peanut butter, which I'll be doing shortly. I've put a pan of water on the stove, so it needs to be, you know, boiling hot before I add the fufu. So this is the fufu, plantain fufu. Gonna add that to that pan, and then I need to start stirring, and we'll see how strong I am.
Saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
I messed up. Look at this. I should have done powder first, or like flour first, and then add water gradually. But what I've done is the other way around. I just followed the instructions on the packaging, and now look at this. This is terrible. So I need to do it again. So now I have this. So I'm just gonna wait till the boiling water is done, add it gradually, and then stir until I have the right consistency. Oh, terrible. And I forgot to add the plantain before doing all of this, so I was like rushing. Oh my god, it's a mess, it's a mess, it's a mess. Anyway, I just finished. So this is the end result, the final result. I'm really happy with the smell. Yeah, it's amazing. And that's the rest of the soup. I left some fufu for a housemate so they can try it when they get home with the soup, of course. But that is the groundnut peanuts, the ground peanut soup with fufu. And then this is just decoration. Traditionally it doesn't come like this, so don't come for me. This is me trying to like modernize it a bit, you know. Okay, so this is the end result. For those wondering how I'm gonna eat this, I'm gonna eat it with my hands, because this dish cannot be served with utensils. Like that's not what we're gonna do. We eat with our hands, so you are in touch with the food, you are part of the food, you indulge with your fingers. So yeah, we're gonna eat it like this with the hands. So I'm excited.